Sounds pretty good. Okay, sure. Do you want me to pull it ahead for you, Troy?
No, I'm just gonna take a few inside pictures.
Okay. I think I have some inside pictures of it.
Oh, do ya?
I think so. Let me just check my phone.